This is camcorder. This is camcorder. Panasonic camcorder. Stabilizer. And this is iPhone. Panasonic camcorder be live streaming with iPhone. This is HDMI cable. This is lightning cable. This is a streaming box, stream package. Streaming package. Live streaming with iPhone. This is iPhone. Panasonic camcorder be live streaming with iPhone. This is HDMI cable. This is lightning cable. This is a streaming box, stream package. Streaming package. Live streaming with iPhone. Those are the FEBON iCapture grabber card shipping package. USB cable. Lightning to USB 3 adapter. FEBON iCapture grabber card, the body. Okay. This is a lightning extension cable. This is a micro USB cable. You need prepare iPhone, lightning charge cable, and the HDMI cable, and the power bank, and the backpack, and the camcorder. I use the Panasonic camcorder. You need to prepare this one, this one. This is shipping package. Okay, I will show you how to install FEBON iCapture grabber card. First, find your power bank. Plug the power, the micro USB cable, and the lightning cable. You can see two power. Micro USB connect the FEBON iCapture grabber card. And the iPhone lightning charge cable connect the USB 3 adapter. Okay, so your power, two power. One is connect the FEBON iCapture grabber card. The other is connect the lightning to USB 3 adapter. And then connect the USB Type A. Connect. Okay, and then this is a lightning extension cable. Connect. iPhone. Okay. You will see charge and go to the iPhone management. Charge and you will see the Ethernet. This is Ethernet. If I plug out it, you will disable. Again. See Ethernet. Plug out. No Ethernet. Plug. Ethernet. Okay. And then you go to the Ethernet and see the media link live. You will show the IP address. Its IP address is 172.20.13.69. If you see the different IP, you need to plug it and plug again. You need to see the 172.20. You will see. IP address is 172.20.13.69. Okay, and you will see the charge and the 172.20.13.69 and the charge at the same time, and then turn on the media link live. You will see the blue screen. After you see the blue screen, plug your camcorder. This is camcorder. This is a HDMI cable. This is HDMI cable. Micro USB. And then connect the FEBON iCapture graphical card. You will see the video. The video is from the camcorder. The video is from the camcorder. Luna, camcorder. Luna. Okay. And then live streaming. Go to management, set up resolution. If you want to do the Facebook Live, please select the HD and the bitrate under the 4000. Okay, and then live streaming. Facebook. Select the personal and the page. I use the page. Live streaming. It is live streaming. Okay. The video is from the camcorder. Okay. And then put it. This is package. This is package. Put them together. Just see the HDMI cable and the lighting extension cable, and put this together. Put them. And then this is my package. Start live streaming. This is a camcorder. This is iPhone. iPhone can put this location, and this is a live streaming package. Okay. Live streaming. Go. This is the iPhone. This is Panasonic camcorder. Panasonic camcorder be live streaming with iPhone.